Hello, you Fukamer. Welcome to the stream. We're just gonna make some lists on Code Academy. So I will start reading this stuff. Extract portion of the list. Alright, so we only want a portion of this stuff. So you can take everything by doing a colon. Start is the index we want to include. Okay. 0, 1 makes sense. End is index more than 1. Oh, that's right. That's where we left off. Okay. Think I'm ready. I think I understand what I have to do. There needs to be 6. Okay. Hey Claudius, what's up? Chat. To examine the variable beginning. What? What? Okay, they just want me to do print. What? I don't understand what they want from me. Use print to examine the variable beginning. Okay, I guess I was supposed to say beginning. Oops. Okay. Cool. Well, okay. Modify it. Okay. Let me just see the way they did it. Okay. Beginning equals. Wait, what? Do they, oh, they just want me to modify. Okay. So it selects the first 2 elements. I think we're just modifying this thing. First 2 elements. That would be 0. You want to include 6, which is G, and not included. So we don't want to include pants. So I think that's 2. Let's see. Pro coder. Hey, make a house. We are BMD typing today with some Python. Keep me on track. The new list called middle. And I might check out Swift. I don't know. I haven't decided. We'll see. We'll see how I do with this. I would just want to look at it. Everyone in my Discord says no, but I think I should do it. At least it wouldn't hurt to like try it. I don't know. Contains the middle 2 items, pants. What? Oh. Okay, create a new list. If only coding was this easy, you know, like if this was as complicated as it got, I think I'd be a great coder. But I know it's not. Wait, what? Create a new list that contains middle 2 items, pants. Oh, no, I don't think, okay, wait, let me try this. Let's be a good coder and make it easier on ourselves. 0, 1, 2. If you use suitcase -1 in the last element, pardon? New suitcase -1. I don't need to call on the last element. 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, and then we need to not stop right here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we print it. I don't get what you're saying, Gabbins. What do you mean, why would I need -1? Like, I understand that if I did -1, we would start here, but I don't think that's what they are asking. Hey, Echo. I decided to go straight into coding today. Because I need to get back on track. I've been slacking. No games today. I don't have time for that. Okay. Yes, I think they can be accessed in any order. Yep. Oh. 4 in range. They didn't okay, maybe that's later down the line. Oh, it looks awful. Oh. There we go. She's the next Bill Gates. Thank you. I'll try. I don't think... It's like first N. Okay, so this is signals you're like picking something, I guess. Print. Maybe I'll add this to my notes. Well, that's not gonna make, yeah. That makes sense. I need to do something about the chat color though. Call on specific. What do you call this? Call on specific element, that's right. I'm still not really familiar with the terminology. Okay, looks good. Hey Moomy, the Python goes well, kind of. I mean, taking baby steps, but I think I'm getting somewhere. Looks like Kira Croson from Nickelodeon. Yeah? Oh, spelled it wrong. That's... You did one of the projects on strings yesterday. It took you 1.5 hours? Oh my gosh. So you're telling me it gets more difficult. I don't agree necessarily, but thank you. She's really pretty. Okay. Anyways, gotta get back on track. Print. Okay, easy. I already know that. Oh. Okay, well that's, yeah. I feel like this is intuitive, like I don't need to write that in my notes. The negative just calls on the last. Code slices the element from the index -2 up to, oh, whoa. So now you're switching the colon placement. Okay, that's a little confusing. Slices element through the last index. Orange mango. Okay, I get that. I might need to actually write this one down. This one's not as clear to me. Hopefully, when I go back and read this, it will make sense to my future self. Yeah, formatting. Feels formatting, man. Okay, I think that works. And I don't want it to be capitalized. Cool. Hey Napcat. Quick motivator. Once you've acquainted yourself with list functions, you basically know programming. Really? Is that why everyone recommends me to stay on Python and not move around? Hey yo. Oh, you don't... I mean, it's just an opinion. Okay, I think I get it. And writing the notes down does help, even though I'm not writing them and I'm just copying pasting. It's still signaling to my brain that that's important. Okay, new list. That is a list. Okay, suitcase. Freaking how do you spell suitcase? Ooh, wait. Then, how do you create a new list containing, okay. I think actually I don't need to put brackets there. We'll see. That's why you recommend that. Yeah, well, that's why we're here. Suitcase, don't tell me. Obtaining the final two. Okay, let's use a negative. Let's see, because there's two ways to do it, actually. So this looks up through the last index. So if you do -2 dot, -2 dot gives you these last two, but then what does this one do? Dot -1 starts counting from 0. Is this telling you where to start counting? I don't know if I should put the dot, the colon before or after. Up to -1. So up to the, okay, that actually makes sense, surprisingly. Not much does, but that does. Hello, Laert. Use for and list. Huh? It's not a dot, it's a colon. Well, yeah, I mean, I corrected myself. Okay, let's see. So, gosh, I already forgot. Okay. Yeah, so that picks the last two. Pick the last two, yes. And then print it. Alright, I think that's correct. Yep. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. I'm basically a programmer. Okay. Containing the last, all containing everything except the last. Okay. Someone the other day, last time I coded on stream, they made fun of my posture. Now I'm like thinking it. All but the last three. Everything except the last three. Okay, that's this one. So, dot, everything except, maybe the one way to see it, I could actually write this in my notes even. The dot after means, no, wait, up until, no, oh gosh, never mind. I was gonna write something in like my own terms, but I don't even know if it would be right, so I'm not gonna write it. You think it's like a starting index, start, finish? Could do start, I could think of it like that. Notes. Probably. I guess you can think about the colon in this way. In case, list A, B, if A is not provided, set it to A. No, that's not how I'm gonna think about it, Fred. Sorry, that's... Whenever people start talking in like A's and B's, that's when it starts not making sense. So I'm trying to put it in my notes in a way I will understand it. I'm thinking, what nail color is this? It's black, but they're very grown out. So I need to fix that. Sorry, I don't have my life together. But yeah, I like, think of it as from to, except the last isn't included. Yeah, okay. Let's say, maybe like hint. From to. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna really explain it to the future me. What was the other one? Start, finish? Sorry, I know the chat color is probably awful. Maybe I'll make it like some other color. Okay. Start, finish. You want to start everything. No, that's not helpful. Okay. Chat, you're changing colors. You will be... What about periwinkle? No. I think teal's fun. Yeah, okay. Digital stickers. What's a digital sticker? Pepe hands. It is a Pepe hands that I don't have my nails done, but it's fine. More important things in life. Containing all but the last three elements. Okay. Start. See, I don't know if that start finish is now making sense. So you start at -2. Actually, okay, start -2. Wait, yeah. Finish at nothing. That's the part I don't get, is the nothing. Since you like normal stickers, you could invent digital ones. I like normal stickers? Who said that? You're talking about my little emote? Also, starting index is included, but not the finishing one. Yeah, I got that, Celine. I understand. I don't understand, like, okay, in the case of blank, because we're starting, let's just look at this one. Suitcase, you start -2. Okay, this is -2. Finish, nothing. So, I mean, if you tell me to just, like, memorize, like, where the colon goes, obviously I can do that, but I'd rather, like, understand what I'm doing. If that makes sense. Like, finish. Oh, because maybe this means before. Everything before. Or after. That's what I don't understand. Maybe because it's a negative. I don't know. Never mind. I'll just do the task. New list. All but the 3. Alright. That's this one. All but this one. All but mango. Okay. All but finish is list and a couple days ago you had these colorful thingies for your notes. I did? What? I did? I don't think I had stickers. Oh, you mean like physical stickers? Oh yeah, I have physical stickers. I have physical stickers. I don't know what to put them on. But yeah, okay, I see. Why didn't you just say that? Okay, all but the last 3. All but -1, -2, -3. I just wonder how you would do that, like, if you were talking in positives, you know? You'd probably just count the normal way. Well, let's test. No, it's not even correct. Oh, because we didn't print it. But maybe it'll still be wrong. There we go. So, if I said up until 0, 1, 2, what about up until 2? I think it still works. I think the wheels are turning. Let's say list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then let's go to list length. Yeah. I forgot how to check the length of a list. Maybe they're gonna teach me and I just haven't learned it yet. In positive, it would be the same thing. You do len, suitcases, 3. So faster to just do -3. Wow, everyone's talking about the length, but they didn't tell me to do the list length or anything like that. They're not helping. Okay. Or maybe they just haven't got there yet. Don't want to count up, counting in a list. There we go. List called letters to represent letters in Mississippi. I want to count how many times I appears. We can use .count. Num I. Oh. What? I guess num I. They made that up. Length of the list took you a while to remember. They dumb it into you a bit. Good. I'll just write once. Maybe I did make a note about. Okay. It's just len. Thank you, notes. Count returns a value. You can assign it variable. Use count. Count. Great. And two-dimensional lists. Count, print. Letters dot count. Oh, just dot count. Okay. Okay, and then this is a two-dimensional list. How often 10, 100 appears, you just count. This is so easy. I'm ready. Votes. Okay. So I make my own new variable. Why did I decide to start learning coding? Ronan, I want to become a coder because I want it to be my job. Because I like sitting at the computer all day and I want to work in tech. And it pays well. I don't know. If I could ever do something with this, that would be great. Okay, let's count stuff. Num votes. I'm just making up a variable, I think. Because that's what they're doing. Num pairs, num I. I'm just making stuff up here. Equals votes dot count. My monitor just made a weird noise. Is this a virus, Nova? Let's check. Nope. It's not, I don't think. Doesn't look like one. It looks legit. Oh, and there's one kinda near me. Cool. That's why you're in it, you know? Why not? And it doesn't, I feel like I could do it if I put my mind to it. What is it, by the way? What is NPower? What is it? A class? Our program cites it's a program. Oh, it's free. Love that. I have to apply. Cool. Virtual. Yes, I love everything virtual. Thank you, chat. You know me too well. In person, nah. Online, yeah. How many times Jake appears? Okay. And Jake, this is a 1D list. So I'm gonna just say Jake. And save it to, well, why didn't you just say Jake votes? Now I said num votes, whatever. Dun dun dun. And then print it. Easy. Give me something tough. Academy. Oops. He voted, got 9 votes. And one time in middle school, I was voted. They were called like the Roar Awards because like it meant like respectful something that I don't remember all the acronyms, but something about respectful, and I won that in 7th grade. It was the first time I won anything for like my personality. Felt great. But yeah, it's like everyone, like, you voted on each other, like who was the, I don't know, you picked like a boy and a girl from your class each trimester. And one time it was me. Everyone said I was like quiet and whatever. They prepare you for IT certifications. Okay. I don't want to be in like, is coding in IT? Because I kind of work in IT services right now, and I don't want to like do that. I don't want to do the applications or like security tech. I want to do like this. Like the data, I don't know. If you want to learn how to code, there's a really great platform called Scrimba. I have like so many archived like free code learning stuff. Like I have free code camp, Code Academy, which isn't really free. I don't know, there's just so much stuff that I have a Harvard class I'm supposed to take. I'm in a Cornell class. I don't even know. I think I'm in over my head with stuff. I need to like be more focused. Be ready for the fact that all coding and software engineering is dealing with problems all day long for the rest of your life. Gotta love solving them. Well, I don't love anything, so I might as well solve the problems. Hey, Lil Freezy. Like, does anyone love solving problems? Maybe someone does. I don't know. I'll try my best. Oh. IT and coding are not the same thing. There we go. Mo code, mo problems. Yeah. Hey, Poison. You love solving problems. Dang it. I mean, it's all right. I don't... Yeah, whose problems? I don't know. I can solve problems. I want to get paid to solve them. Does that count? Can sort a list using method.sort. Oh my gosh, it's Harry Potter. See what happens when we apply name sort. What? You want to sort it? Hey Freezy, did I already say that? Solving problems someone else has already solved for the most part. Oh. Are you sure about that? I love asking Stack Overflow to solve my problems. Yeah, I mean, that's what I imagine I would do. Ask for help, look on Google. Let's see what happens when we apply .sort. Okay. Okay, it's alphabetical. It sorts it alphabetically. Okay. Also provides us to go in reverse. Instead of sorting in ascending, you can... Oh my gosh, here we come with the Boolean values. Heck. Instead of ascending, we can go descending. Reverse equals true. Now, what is reverse? Oh, because you want to reverse it. That is what's true. Okay, got it. You are? Alright, I trust ya. Scrimba is the best out there. You've tried most of them. They have a great Discord community. Okay. Yeah, I'll definitely check out Scrimba and NPower. I will use all the resources I can get. So, does not return any value and does not need to be assigned a variable. Does not return a value. What? It does not? Oh, but you print it. This does not need to be assigned a variable since it modifies the list directly. Okay. Maybe I need to write a note about this. Okay, addresses. Addresses. No, you don't have to do... oh, maybe I should write it under the right checkpoints. You know, just to keep it concise. And you don't need to reverse it, I don't think. It didn't ask me to. Gonna cast the female final of Age of Empires, Gabby versus Micah. I wasn't planning on it. I didn't even know that was happening. Sure. I mean, as long as it's not right now. Or it can't be when I'm working. But other than that, maybe. A specific problem is just cobbling solutions of already solved problems. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's run this because I think it's right. It is. And we get to print it. Addresses. Yeah. There we go. Wow, so like the tiniest number goes first to big. Love it. Move that comment in front of sort names. This? Space. Oh. Oh, this one. Add this line. Well, let's make it its own line. Harry Potter reference has to be from a millennial. Oh yeah, definitely millennials wrote this. Which is fine, I like millennials. And I like Harry Potter. But you're definitely right. Edit this line so it runs without producing. Sort names. Ah. Well, you wouldn't do that, would ya? You would say... Did I just solve a problem? Yeah, I did. And I guess we don't need to print it. We can. Yep. There we go. Oops. Didn't do the right thing. Closer, it's not sorting them by number. Oh. 10, 12, 1600. It's not sorting them by number? Oh my gosh, is it? No, but it's not even sorting this. What? Is it sorting maybe by the first number instead of the whole number? Line 9. There's nothing there. I just haven't done the next prompt yet. Actually sorts one character at a time. That's why 42 comes after 1600. It's alphabetical? Is it? Gotta be very verbose. You could also do a deep copy. I don't think I'm there yet. They do love Harry Potter. It's true. And they love coffee. Maybe I'm a millennial. No, I'm not. But I don't know. They got taste. The address is not a number, it's a string, so it treats it that way. Sort is a lexicographical. Lexicographical, what? So it starts counting here, 10D, 12G, is that what it is? 1600p? We are the Zoomers. Oh yeah, I'm Gen Z. I don't know if I'm a proud Gen Z. I'm just there. Leonardo here from Argentina. Hey, Leandro, sorry. Harder way to say alphabetical. Ah. Okay, still, I don't understand the lexic. Strings are compared to lexicography. Numbers would be sorted by order. It looks at the first character and sort it by the first character. If they're the same, it uses the second character. So I was right, like it's like 10D, 12. Gosh, no, it doesn't make any sense. Maybe it does. 42, because what didn't make sense to me before? 2, 4, if it's not by the numbers, oh, it's not. Sorts 0 to 9, then A to Z. Oh, okay. Thank you, Opponents. Can I write that as a note? Okay. I don't know if that's important to like the idea of Python. Sorting lists. Oops. Sorting lexicographically. Dot sort. Wait, what is it? I'll just do variable dot sort. Just prove to myself what's happening. Variable. There we go. Sorts. Starts. Maybe I'll say starts. That would make sense to me. Starts sorting order. Does that make sense? Starts ordering. There we go. Starts ordering 0 to 9, then A to Z. That I can understand. There we go. Can give it your own function to tell how to sort. Yeah, I was thinking like, because maybe you want to do more sorting than just that. So, okay, that answers the question that I never asked. Print to examine sorted cities. Okay. Cities. No. What? Oh, yet. This coder didn't, like, sort it, so I can't see. There we go. What open is saying. Yes, I copied it and it's written down. 1 digit at a time, not the whole number. Okay, maybe I'll put that in parentheses. 1 digit at a time, not the whole number. Maybe I'll like do a little thingy there. Beautiful. You know what? While we're here, we need a header. No, not that, sorry. Insert, not a footnote, but a header. So we have like I'm gonna have pages of notes here. What is this? Cambria? Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. Back to the situation. Edit the sort column cities such that it sorts the cities in reverse. Oh yeah, I know how to do that. Cities dot sort. Now they said reverse equals reverse. Oh yeah, true. Yeah, that's right. Boolean value. None. Zero to 9 are integer values. Are you saying, but I disagree. Kind of, because this is a list, right? It's in, sorry, not a list. This, what is this called when it's in quotes? Anyways, this is a string. This is a string. And so it doesn't count as an integer. it's already sorted at that point, so you don't need to call sort again, just reverse for the future. It's already sorted. Oh, this is already sorted. So you don't need to call it, just reverse. Oh, maybe is that why it said none? Ah, it gave me error. It is a list of strings. Yeah, this is addresses is a list of strings. But they told me 0 to 9. I thought they were talking about the counting, the sorting, you know, like starting here, then to here. That's what I thought they meant. But maybe that's not what they were talking about. And maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong even. Anything with quotes around it is a string. Yes. I know. So let's see. Let's see if I can troubleshoot, because this is what I'm going to be doing in my career. 21. Reverse equals true. This is not callable. But it was callable when I did sort. Sticky situation. Sorting for integers works differently. That makes sense. What you had was fine. They're not trying to teach you reverse at this point. Yeah. But they are. Gives the option to reverse. The problem is I had sort before. And like now it works. Cities.sort. Edit so that, oh, they want me to just edit this. Edit that sort. Okay, here. Well, whatever, it doesn't matter. Trying to pass a parameter to a cities function with how it's written on 21. Sort versus true is different than reverse. Oh. Well, I didn't do dot reverse, did I? I don't think I did. What, I mean, they're saying I'm right. Print sorted cities. But see, now there is a problem because it's supposed to reverse sort and it didn't even do that. They say yes, I'm saying no because I don't see it. It thinks you're trying to call a city's object as a function. Do cities.reverse. But they never told me to do that. They told me to do this. Maybe I'm spelling something wrong. Delete sorted cities and print cities. Really? It doesn't print cities? But it worked. But what is this trying to teach me then? Reverse parameter makes it sort opposite. That I understand. I didn't understand why it wasn't showing up in the terminal. And Ronan is right. Or who told me to do that? Fred told me to do this. And it's right, because this is reversed. Reversed alphabetical. But why wasn't it showing up before? Because according to this... Oh, they wanted me to edit that. Oh, yeah. They wanted me to edit this whole line. Oh, whatever. I get it now. It's the effing beanbag. Yes, it is. Hello, Jiggy. Alright, I think I didn't read the question all the way through. Or something. Congrats. Thank you. Second way of sorting list in Python is use sorted. Sorted function is different than dot sort. Uh-oh. I sense a note coming. Maybe I like need a center. I recently looked this up. If you want to center, no, you need to add like more spaces in between your stuff because I just want to center this. F. All right. Sorting lists. Oh wait, no, this can't be bigger than the title. Maybe it'll just be like a little highlight. Little purple highlight. And maybe we'll make this title a bit bigger. If anyone wants these notes, I'll share them with you for free. Hi Lita, what's up? So just looking at the difference between sort and sort. Scrubs, I think they're teaching me right now, which is why I'm going to write it in my notes. But I have to understand it first so I can put it into my own words. Because it comes before a list instead of after a list. Okay. Now the next thing is sorting. Comes before a list. Instead of built-in functions, it generates a new list. Okay. Is it bad that I just copy-paste? I don't think so. Sorting. Okay, I don't need to write that because... Oh, it's different. Oh, whatever. Yeah, that's fine. Sorting... Another way. I don't know. Method 2. Okay. And I gotta do an example. Bad that you copy paste. Now you're gonna be doing that. That's good. I mean, I think it would just take too long and be unnecessary for me to type it all out. Plus, if I'm understanding the concept, I don't think it's a problem. Using sorted, okay. What else should I put in here? Okay, let's, and instead of names, I'll put variable. Excuse me. There we go. Variable. Wait, that might not be it. Sorted names. Oh. Whatever, I think it's fine to say names. But variable will help me know that that's the variable. Does that? No, that might confuse me more. You even Google the documentation of functions you wrote. Wow. Sorted is the immutable version of sort. Does not change the list. Prints a new one. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to like teach. That's what I'm trying to write in my notes to remember. Should I just probably left it names? Yeah, I'm actually gonna just leave it names because now this would be too confusing. I think it actually helps if it's names. Okay, whatever. That was all for nothing. Anyways. Okay, and this prints out a new list. as opposed to modifying the list. Oh. This modifies the list. This prints a new list. This method, what am I trying to say? Prints a new list. There we go. Okay. Well, it kind of already says it. Whatever. You need to put your notes in a README file, not some Google Doc. Why? Why would that help me? I don't need a README. Plus, this helps me, like, I don't know. What do you want me to use, like, WordPress? WordPad? Use sorted to sort the games. Ah, easy. I think. Games sorted, that's right. You have to kind of create a new thing. This is the Python way. Oh. You gotta version control your notes? I'm not gonna version control my notes. I will just read them. I almost wrote them on pen and paper, so it doesn't. Sorted. Alright, sorted games. Games? It's really that easy? I get this. I get this language. Print them both and we'll see what happens. And I'll do it at the same time because I'm lazy. Okay, how are they different? Alright, so this is just regular games. And this is... Google Docs already has a version control. You can insert code blocks? Really? Beats me, but I'm sure you're right. Not that I need to. I don't need version control it. Hi Zach, how's the coding going? It's going well. I'm getting it more and more each time. Anyways, how are these different? I guess it printed out a new list? Was that the difference? Comes before a list and instead of after. Huh? It comes before a list instead of after. I get the new list part. I don't know if I really understand that part, but... So we have sorted them alphabetically, starts at M, goes to T. That makes sense to me. It's almost time for a quiz. Insert pop. I don't remember pop. Did I write a note on that? I can't be forgetting stuff already. Anyone familiar with Python? Why didn't that print sorted object? Whatever. I don't know. Hopefully someone answers you. Because I can't count. I wish I would started taking notes earlier the other day. Because now I don't remember what pop does. Oh. Maybe I'll just copy what I didn't write down. hard can it be? What do you call this? These are functions or methods? Okay, this, when it has, yes, this is like math. Okay, function, method. Methods, function, oops, function, add elements. Alright, and we'll just like do a little highlighty. Oh, it hurts to look at. How can I make that less bad? Ooh, that's ugly. Can I customize it? There we go. Like a light blue. Oh, that's like easy on the eyes, I think. Oh heck. Using the dot pop? Yes, that's right. Okay. And then the range. Ooh, I could like have a color coordinated table if I wanted to, but I don't know. I guess I wouldn't know what. Things aren't printed unless you ask for them to be printed. Very true. What is Code Academy? Code Academy is a service where you can learn how to code. The very basic stuff. About games. No, I looked it up today. Games aren't really made with Python, unfortunately, but it's fine because I'm starting off with Python. Okay, I already have sort and count. I think I have count. Do I have count? Select portions using slicing. Did I already slice? Yeah, slice. There we go. I did. Count the number. Alright, let's add that under methods. Ooh, I need to like separate these. Yeah. There we go. Count the number of times using count. Okay. That's good. C++ for games, C# and Unity. I know. I just found that out today. And Swift is for making apps. And Java, which, whatever. It's fine. I'll get there someday. No need to jump ahead. Gee-ho. Someday I will make a game in Unreal Engine. Maybe. I'll just manifest it for myself. But I think that'd be fun to like code a game on stream. I don't know if that'd be like too hard on my PC. I don't think it would, but I'm not there yet. I asked Discord, but they said no. So I don't know. I saw a YouTube tutorial and it looked kind of easy, so I thought it'd be easy, but it's whatever. It's been so successful. He decided to open a furniture store. Hey, I used to work in a furniture store. Let's inventory. Okay, now it's time to look at my notes. How many items are in the warehouse? Let's count. Count. Sorry, dot count. What? Oh, I didn't give him a... Oh, we have to count the thing. How many items are in the warehouse? I don't know, you tell me. I have to tell the computer what to do. Because I'm not counting, like, how many of this? How about how many quotes? Dang it. Count the number of times of that element. Well, what? Of all of them? I don't know. Help, chat. What am I trying to count? Length of inventory? Really? Find list length. Is that what we're trying to do? Why can't I just count? Okay, maybe that's... Okay, whatever. You're right. I agree. Inventory... Len equals len. Blah. Oh my gosh, I can't spell. Inventory. Yeah. Yeah, I know, you guys are right. That's if we were going to count a specific thing, but we just need the length. Let's print. Let's get in the habit of printing. Whoopsie. Thought? Oh. There's 19. How many items equals the length of the entire list? Len for counting number of characters in a word. I think your line 3 is not good. Yes, it is. Why is it not? It got me the right answer. Select the first element. Ah, why did it... Oh. First... I need my notes. Okay. This is the... Select first. Can I go like that? No. That ain't it. First, dot N? Dot, maybe dot comes first. Sorry, not dot, whatever, colon. What? Select the first element. Should I just say twin bed? No, I should count it. Saul Goodman. I need to watch Better Call Saul. It's on my list of things to do. No syntax, but it's tab over space. You're so used to C++ that this code's compile is funny. Yeah, I know. I'd like to do all the C languages someday. Inventory len, no need for slicing. Oh. No need for slicing this. Select. Alright, first equals inventory. Okay, so I'm overthinking it, and I should just say that. Thank you, chat. Okay. So what's the slicing? If we want to select the first blank, we use this. Select the first element. Okay. Select the first, and what's the difference? First, you're selecting the 0th element. Dot not needed. I didn't know Python, just assumed coming from other languages. Dot would have worked. 1 would have worked? Because it's twin bed, but that's not what they asked. I don't even know if they would have given it to me. Select the last element from inventory. Last. Look at me, I'm a problem solver. Let's do -1, because we're lazy. Slicing is when you want to split up the list, like cutting off different slices of bread. Okay, so it's like you want to select the first. I don't really get it, but like you're selecting the first element to the end of the list. Okay, so it's like comparing something. You select from the first element to the end. In this, we're only selecting one singular thing. Sure, I'll accept that. Select items from inventory, starting at 2 to 6. Okay, now we're slicing. Starting at index 2, okay. Well, then you just gave me the answer. And up to but not including index 6. So that makes 6. Wow, they make this easy. Now you can slice. Dot is a shortcut. Is a shortcut to not type every single element in the parentheses, number plus. You want to start at the index. If you put dot, it only means you want everything from start to end. I feel like there's a shorter way to say that, Rocco. And I think the easier way is in my notes. From 2, start, finish. And you know what? It got me the right answer. College professor in C said that people who do higher level languages aren't programmers anymore, but integrators. Integrators. Confusing Bean's mind. Oh, I'm not confused. Some people like explain things not in simple terms, and that just makes it harder, not easier. Which is whatever, but it's fine. I need all the help I can get. It's like the first 3 items. Call it first 3. Oh, I should print this stuff. What am I doing? So I can see the fruits of my labor. What? Oh, sorry. No, that's right. I'm just doing stuff. Okay, first 3. Inventory. Okay, now this is where I do... Let's go back to my notes here. Okay, not that, this. So if we want to start from the first elements or slices up to through the last index. And we want to do the first 3 items. So that would be this one. The first 3 items, so 0, 1, 2. And if it's not right, then we'll have a learning moment. First 3. It's a learning moment, chat. 0, 1, 2. Oh, but it doesn't include it. No need to call me the best coder. I just solved a problem that I created. Look at the hint you wrote. From 2. From 0, 1, 2. No, I got the... But that actually doesn't... Because we're stopping here. I guess, yeah, so starting from 2 queen bed. Yeah, okay, sorry, never mind. Yeah. How many twin beds or inventory? Ah, this is what I've been waiting for. You don't teach the lower level stuff. Because you start counting at 0. Yes. Literally every programmer that has ever existed. Wow. Everyone just creates their own problems. Feels bad, man. Inventory. Okay, twin beds. Inventory. Okay. Twin bed. There we go. Maybe it's not. Sorry. Dot count. And is that in a parentheses? Twin beds. Nice. Remove the 5th element in the inventory. Sure. You've gotta believe in your notes. I do. When someone suggested to me taking notes, I was like, no. Honestly, it's probably been the most helpful thing I've done so far. Just saying. Moved item equals remove one thing. Remove one thing. We want to remove one thing. Get dang. Maybe I need to go back up here. Insert pop. Maybe, okay, there we go. Let's, because I couldn't find that so easily, let's like highlight it. Add, remove, count. Keywords. Very easy peasy. That's why the software industry is booming, yeah? I'm trying to get a piece of that software industry. I don't know. Okay, remove the 5th. So we're gonna pop it. That is such a, whoever created Python, you know, because it's a user-friendly language, why is it pop and not remove? Everything else kind of makes sense except that. By index. That is a parentheses. Okay. 5th element. The 5th element. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Wait. 0. 5th element, but that would be 6, right? No, that'd be 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we want this. So it is 4. Jeez. Oh yeah, and now we're gonna print inventory. Up. Oh yeah, that's just their own get away from me. Now. There is no more king bed, is there? Oh wait, there still is a king bed. That's not good. Twin, headboard, queen. Dresser. Oh. Huh? Maybe there's just different instances of king bed. Never mind. That's tricky. We can't see your answer. You can't? Why not? Your cam. Move your cam a little bit to the side. Oh. Hey, look, you can see my VS Code prompt down below that I haven't done much with. But it's all good because I will someday use VS Code. New item called 19th century bed frame. Ah. Okay. Inventory. No. Yeah? Add elements using insert. Okay. And do I need to add it somewhere specific? Or anywhere? Oh, it does want me to do it somewhere specific. Crap. They did not prepare me for this moment. Notepad greater than all. I think this is just fine. No reason to put it into a file. Might be worth moving the cam. Oh, I already read that. Too early to dive into Python docs. Agreed. You were kidding. Oh, huh. Here we go with IDE wars. What? Manually setting the bits on the disk. Huh? Anyways, okay, let's think about this. Dang it, I did not make a note that helps me. Oh, you know what? I might just need to use the hint. I feel bad, but I just need to know. Oh yeah, I know that. That's not the hint I need. I need to know what spot this goes, and I don't know where to put that. The thing about VS is when you use a function, it shows what input it takes. Huh? That's not... Bruh. Maybe I put it after. Actually, I'm gonna try that. I don't need you guys. Dang it. I need help. Insert cache. Insert takes exactly 2 arguments. Maybe it's in parentheses and not brackets. And the right index. Nope. I think I'm gonna put it comma? I don't know. Oh no, don't even tell me. I know it goes right here. It goes right here, I know it. No? This is a one-dimensional list. Inventory, maybe inventory 10 goes... I do believe it goes first instead of at the end. Dang it. Okay, nah, I give up. I need help. Is your insert... I want to tell it to go in the 11th element. So just like that? No. It can't be interpreted as a... You want me to put it as a string? That doesn't make sense to me either, but I don't know. That's what you guys told me, kind of. Other way around? So it can't be interpreted as integer. Alright, we need a note, or I will never remember. Maybe under adding stuff, we add a little bullet. Inventory, variable, maybe we'll say variable, insert, should I say like placement? No, that's, how am I gonna make this make sense to me? I mean, I guess if I just left it like that, and maybe I'll understand intrinsically. Or I could just highlight. I know what to do. We'll do a little yellow. A little pink. And a little sub thing that says pink equals pink highlights. I know this is a lot, but I think it'll make sense. Anyone want these notes? Pink highlight. Oh, I should have done yellow because, yeah, wait. Let's do it the right way. That is the placement in the list. That is what you want to add. This is very user-friendly. Add 2 times. She's redocumenting Python. Yeah. You are perfectionist, not good. I'm not perfectionist. You guys recommended I do notes. I wasn't even gonna do notes. The error is telling you the string cannot be interpreted as an integer because it was looking for an integer. Oh, yeah, I was putting a string in there. I was putting this in there. Because it tried to, okay. But that's why I wrote this note, because now I can see it needs to be an integer. Not string. Maybe that'll help me. Put a link towards the documentation. Index, what do you want to insert? Yes, Echo, I like that. Maybe I'll say alternatively. Bah, it's so ugly. We need to. Okay. Sure. Okay. Works for me. Alright, now let's get back to business. Sort inventory or sorted. Let's see. Do I want to change my list or not? Yeah, we do. I want to change the entire thing and reprint it. Whoa. Whoa. No, yeah, we have to just, sorts and it makes a new list though. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Sorted. Right? But don't I need to print this one? Or I could just say inventory. Inventory equals sorted inventory. Why not? I don't have to give it a whole new thing. Pro coder. Usually we use the word index where you use the word placement. Okay. Good thing they're both there for my knowledge. You can do it. Galaxian game will be run. Someday, yeah. Make a game. Better to recognize that as index because insert is only used in an array. Okay. Does she know an array is a list? Yeah, I did know that, I think. Maybe not off the top of my head, but I do remember that. How did that work? How did this work? Should this not work? Uh-oh. Is this not supposed to work? No, look. List equals sorted list. That should work. It does work. Yay! I love when it works. And let's do a quiz. What list would be created by running this code? Oh my gosh, I already forgot. Okay. I like vaguely remember something about this. Oh, I should have wrote it. Did I write it in my notes? Am I cheating on a quiz? And I don't even think I wrote it, so it doesn't even matter. I did write it. Starting value, ending value, increment by how many? Is this not timed? Starting value, ending value, increment by how much? Start at 2. Ending value 14. 2 is 6. 8. Wait. Increment, sorry. Add 4. Ugh. It's an open notes quiz, good. Very Pythonic. I think you should jump into an IDE ASAP. It'll help a lot with functions, suggestions, and definitions. You think I should jump into VS Code right now? Maybe. Start at 2, go 6, add 4 each time, stop at 14. I think it's this one. Yeah, because you start at 2. It can't be these two. Start, ending, you end at 14. I think this one works. No, it... because it stops before... So maybe I should make a little note to self. Ending value. Like, does not include. What am I trying to say? Is not inclusive. So if it is equal. Yeah, I think I get the point if I say that. If I don't, I'd be shocked. Cool. Well, we got one wrong. Bye, Ronan. Thank you. Is AoE 3 Definitive Edition worth getting? I haven't tried the Definitive Edition. I remember I liked Age of Empires 3 casually. But the graphics were pretty good. I can't imagine they... But I don't know. If you really like Age 3, it probably is. If you're just trying to play a little bit, I would say probably not. Like, I probably wouldn't get it. Complete the code to insert buffalo into a list called animals. Okay. Into a list called buffalo. To a list called... Okay. I don't know what this is. Oh. Append? Trying to insert. Oh, what's the difference between append? I don't have any lists on append. But I do remember appending. Preparing for software engineering career, or is it just a hobby? Ideally, I would keep learning and learning and learning, and I would become like a software engineer or something along those lines. Architect. I mean, of like cloud. I don't know. Game designer, web, data science. I don't know. Yes, all of the above. No, I'm just kidding. But I want to learn to code, and I want to make a career out of coding. Buffalo. Okay, so the integer goes first as the fourth element. I forgot what append does. Append just inserts an element. Okay, let's write that down then. Cloud architect, yeah. I think I could be good at it. Maybe be an SAP NetWeaver. I don't even know what that means. But I don't know. Why am I pasting? Oh yeah. I think, is that a method or a function? I think it's just a method. Add element to the end of a list. Sorry, I'm like copying and pasting stuff from chat. That's why like append just inserts the element in the last, inserts the element in the last position of the list. Sure, that works for me. It's a method with one parameter. One parameter method. This is a two parameter method. I think. Two parameter. Am I spelling parameter right? Method. Sure. Who needs graphics when you have cube mode? Cube mod? What? Which of the following would be generated by this? So, start, finish. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But not including CDE. There we go. Thank you for the follow. After the following would create a range that starts at 3, goes up to 15, increments of 4. Starts at 3, goes up to 15. This is start, end, increment. Is that not just this? Start. End. It really is that easy. I haven't heard of superior graphics mod. It makes trees into cubes, berries. Are you talking about Age of Empires? Or berries into cubes? Minecraft? Or... Guys, I have Minecraft. I don't know what to do on there though. Like, I always end up doing nothing. I don't know how to build or anything. I mean, I don't know how to build anything worth looking at. Which of the following commands will return the length of my list? Gotta check the notes. Len, yes. I think it's this one. Correct. Yeah, AoE2. Oh, no, then why would I want that graphics mod? That sounds horrible. Do I like any other games other than AoE2, shooters, etc.? Yeah, I like Fortnite, I like Valorant. I've streamed a little bit of those. I like Hearthstone a lot, Warcraft, Animal Crossing on the Switch. I like to play like games on the Switch. Nintendo's fun. Zelda. Well, I only played one Zelda game. Mario. Super Mario Galaxy. Mario Kart. Sims. Everything. I play everything. My Steam. I like story games. Anyways. Which of the following code selects the last 3 elements? One of these. Gosh, dang it. I'll never remember which. Code slices up that element. Stream Hearthstone? I mean, maybe. Whenever I stream, I feel like no one likes it, though. Like, I have streamed Hearthstone in the past. I feel like no one... I mean, I could. If that's what people want. I'm 6K. Print. Okay. -2... up through the last. Start, finish. Gosh, I don't know why this one's really tricky for me to get. I don't know why. Definitely not that one. Start at the last 3. I'm leaning towards this one because you start at the last 3 elements, finish. My gosh. You're addicted to Hearthstone. Over the past few days, the new expansion's pretty fun. I mean, yeah, I'm down to stream it if that's what someday or today, I don't know. We'll see. Which of the following lines of code? I mean, I just want to show everyone like how my skill level. I don't know. Which of the following lines of code would remove breakdancing from the list? Or breakdancing? Yes, the Interstellar music is great. I agree. To be honest, I haven't even seen Interstellar. My friends just really like the soundtrack, and so I started listening to it. I'm like, yeah, this is pretty great. I haven't seen a lot of movies. I'm more of a computer guy. I'd rather be on the computer. What's the following lines of code would remove breakdancing? Pop. It's definitely pop -1 because we lazy. -1. What? Maybe you... Let me look at my notes because pop... Remove it from a list. Maybe you just have to do this way. I'm guessing not option 3? That's what I was gonna put. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. But it can't be this. And it can't be that. Which... You should watch a really good movie, I've heard. I am more of a computer person. I have always wanted to spend my time in front of a computer. I don't know. Not that there's one way or the other, but I'm just saying if I have 2 hours to spare, will I watch a movie or will I play a game? I will rather play a game. Remove. So that's why I'm explaining why I haven't seen a lot of movies. Not that there's I don't know. I want to like see more of the classics. I don't know. Remove was the pop function, yes. But the problem is I don't know. None of these seem right. Olympic sports pop, because -2, this is -1. We're trying to remove breakdancing. It's the regular pop. Maybe if you don't specify, it will just remove the last. If you don't specify, it will automatically remove last element. Maybe last element is a position. A pen inserts the element in the last... Oh no, sorry. It was fine like that. Think I get that? No, it was pop. Oh, John B guessed it option 3. That's what I was going to guess, but it is option 2. Why do pop and remove exist? I think pop... Maybe pop just only gets rid of the last one. Have to be the bracket, not brackets. I know, but I couldn't think of anything else. Because I knew it wasn't these two, and then I wasn't sure about that, so whatever, we learned. Pop returns the value, while remove just removes it. Olympic sports remove, breakdancing would also work. It's not an option. Dang it. Do I have remove on here? No, I don't. That would be good to have. Maybe I should say dot remove. Dot remove. Yeah, whatever. We'll do it another time. Following code, slice the list. B, C. Came hot with a guess. It's been a while since you did Python. Hey. Same. Kind of. I mean, I'm just starting to learn, so. Okay. Slice the list B and C. So you want to. Would slice the list B, C. So what does slice mean? You want to keep it or you want to get rid of it? Slice. What happened to slice? Oh. It calls, so it's capturing it, not getting rid of it. No, it is keep. Slices, get rid, keep. I'm leaning towards keep. John B, you're coming in with the wrong answers. What the heck? And then I think it's the dot, not the comma. My list, let's start at 0, 1. 1 to 2. Element B has index 1. Element C has index 2. but not including to, did I write that down? I need to write that somewhere. Last number's not inclusive. That makes sense. Like, they do that a lot. Python is 0 indexed. I think I just have to get used to that. Like, maybe it should just be assumed. Sorry, I'll stop typing. No, it's fine. You can keep typing. You learned Python in 1 month, and I mean fully learned it, WebSock, multi-threading. Why would I hate you for that? I think that's cool. Finish, but not including. Where can I like add that? Take a while to get used to. I know, I just don't know where to write it. We want to start use the following code. Okay. Finish, but not including. I will just remember it, I think. Which of the following will insert Gus as the middle? Alright. Insert. Two parameter method. Got it. And so the integer goes first. We want to we'll insert Gus in the middle. So we want to do it after Greg. So 0, 1, 2. I think we want to put it in position 2. No, sorry. Oh, do we want to put it in position 3? The course for Python for everybody is great. You can find it on YouTube. You learned it in 1 week and you used it to buy a sports car. Yeah. Same. Okay, sorry, it's definitely not. No, that one's ugly. What are these? I really have to look at the syntax here. It's not this. It's not this one. -2, -1, -2. Maybe I'd have to put it -3. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fail this. Crap. Python has all its core library functions and their own Py scripts. Yeah, I've seen their website. I haven't needed to look at that quite yet. But I did see it on the website close, but not quite. This would insert Gus into -3, where Greg is located. Let's see my logic. I said -1, -2, -3. That would put that on Greg. -1, -2, -3. Okay, so you're replacing such with such. I was kind of more thinking this invisible -3. But let's see. It is -2, -1, -2. Where Greg is located. Annabelle, Gus, Greg. So I put it -1, -2. Okay, so I need to like think of it in terms of the blank spaces. I'll write that in my notes. Insert. Huh? Oh. I want to insert. CM Griffing. Thank you for the raid. Hello, Griffing peoples. welcome. We're just learning Python. So, and I'm trying to tell myself that you need to count, you're inserting in the invisible spaces. Count. Okay, where would it go? Does that make sense? Where would you end up? Like, what am I trying to say? Like, count. Start counting at the invisible spaces. In between empty spaces. I think that will help. And I should put this somewhere else. Maybe like a little thing here. In the list. When inserting. Maybe I'll put when inserting at the beginning. Sorry, I don't usually take this many notes, but that was important for me to remember. Howdy Griffin. Always stoked to see more people in the software category. Thank you, it's good to be here. I like Python so far. I'm doing it on Code Academy, so it's kind of like a quiz format. So I'm learning how to count the negatives, and I'm going to count backwards the spaces. Wait, -1, -2. Yeah. Yeah, because I said -3, yeah. Okay. Actual programmers are rating, oh no. Well, it's only a quiz, even though I'm failing it, but I'm learning from my mistakes, and I'm making my notes look better. And so I won't make those mistakes again, hopefully. To the following will correctly sort my list. Oh, if there's 2 ways. Which way do I want to do it? So I think if you wanna, you would do sorted, not sort. So I don't think it's this. Not that. There's only one answer. I think it's this one, the third. We all started somewhere. Thank you. No one's ever said that to me. Everyone says I suck. Just kidding. The chat's pretty nice, but they are very educated. Yes. Okay, that was the only correct one. Which of the following lines of code will tell us how many times the wind appears? Definitely not that. I think it's this one. Yeah, I didn't really need too much help there. Pizza toppings. Alright. Dot. Remove the 5th. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What if I just checked answer? Nope. 0, 1, 2, 3. 5th element. 2. You want to remove mushroom. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. D. D plus. Nope. 6 is not a plus. Grr. It's fine, I think if I could retake that, I bet I'd get 100. Hey Solid Joel, programmer dip. Yep. Being D-type. You work at Lens Slice. New pizza joint. You're gonna use your knowledge of Python. Organize my sales. What is this? Okay. My code. Making lists like a good programmer. But that's correct. To keep track of how much they sell. I should just make a 2D list. I don't think quizzes are the way to learn Python. I don't know, I thought it was helpful. Different people have different methods of learning, more technical and analytical. I learned from studying the functions of the core library of the language. I don't think that's how your girl works. I mean, what, you just stare at the library and automatically know everything? Xfinity. Xfinity. Prices. We need to combine the lists. That's where I'm thinking this is going. No need to copy and paste because it's really easy. Orders. Okay. Oops. Well, we just have to assume that's right. Your boss wants to do research on slices. What a nerd. Just kidding. Thank you for the follows. Hey, Gimlord. Trial and error, yeah. Count the number of occurrences of 2 in the price. So, count. But I wanna, what happened to the... Well, I guess it is just count. I wish they would tell me if it's correct. How long have I been learning programming? About like a month. Yeah, I'd say a month now. Haha, you girl. I never wanted to research pizza slice prices. No, it's not like I work at Costco. Maybe this is what they do at Costco. Plus, count the number of occurrences. Count 2. And store it in this variable. Print it. Oh, I haven't printed it yet. Three. Yes. Because there are 3 $2 pizzas. Length list. That can't be right. Oh, it is right. Just had to double check. Where num pizza, what? Store it in num pizzas. Oh. Oops. Would you go back in time and tell 18-year-old Bean to choose CS major? Hiker boy, I don't know. Because the reason I avoided anything down that path is because I didn't want to take the math. Like, I didn't do accounting, I didn't do data science. I actually wanted to do statistics, but I didn't, because I took AP stats in high school. I passed the AP test, but I learned to major in stats, you need to take calculus. And I'm so bad at algebra. Hey, Pylang. tiling. You look like a Python programmer. And now ×6 assembly. What? Come through it, read how the functions handle in terms. I mean, if that works for you, that would not work for me. Unfortunately, I mean, maybe if I really put my mind to it, I don't know, I'd have to see for myself. Find the length and print it. Pizzas. And there are seven toppings. Print. Ooh, I've never done this before, but this makes sense. They should learn C. We'll have a lot of insight. I want to learn C# and C++, but not right now. Does that how this works? Pizzas. Oops. That doesn't seem right. Oh, no. You concatenate. Is this where that comes in? Pizzas. They are not making this easy. Different kinds of pizzas. Where pizzas represents whatever. Pi 16. It must be string, not int. It's not an int. Oh, it is an int. Can I put it in quotes? Bah. Why is it like this? But that doesn't seem right, because then it's just gonna print out pizzas. We sell pizzas. Oh crap. Like this? Do plus variable. I did do it. It doesn't like that it's an integer. Try Google F strings. String. Ooh, I like small f's answer. I can write that in my notes. Use commas, not plus. No, that's not the right answer, Sharku. You wrong for that. Maybe I'll say need to concatenate numbers. Concatenating string and int. Sorry, not variable. Convert. Convert an int value, int variable, into string value by adding stir around it. Does that make sense? Yes, that makes sense to me. You can use commas. She did a thing. Guys, I did a thing. I think I did a thing. Okay, sorry. You can use commas. Why wouldn't I just use plus signs? Global function used to convert any data type to a string, so it's not limited to integers. Oh. Pretty sure it is the right answer. That's what I said. Oh, I'm sorry. Tried CS as a minor in college? Nope. You settled for learning how to use Linux. It helped you do what you needed to do. UX UI interface, is that Linux? I've heard Linux, but I don't really know what it means. Commas are friendlier way to concatenate strings. In my head, like, the addition sign is more friendly because, like, in my head I'm like, I'm combining them. Plus is more universal, it adds strings. I like that. We're gonna stick with the plus because I like it. Even if commas are okay. After this project, I might need to go eat. F, we sell num pizzas, different kind of pizzas. Why is everyone saying F? So, you put the F, and then num pizza and squigglies. They didn't teach me that. Commas only work in the print function. Oh. That makes sense. Like, I'd rather just use the plus if it works everywhere, so then I just teach myself. Using existing data about pizza toppings. Oh my gosh, 2D list. Guys, I have to go eat dinner, I think. I don't know if I can make a 2D list. But I do want to come back and eat. I mean, and stream. So, I might just end the stream and then come back in 10 minutes. I don't want to like leave the stream running, like that doesn't make sense to me. So I think I'm just taking a break. Yeah. If you guys care to stick around, I'll be back probably in like 10 minutes. I just need to eat and then like probably do another like, we'll just, I don't know. Yeah, you know, I'll come back. I don't know for how long, but I want to go eat. So yeah. See you guys later.